I've been in this program for over 37 years. When you go eat at your favorite restaurant, there's no way you could go in the back of the house to make sure everything is safe and proper. We're the ones that go in the back of the house, make sure everything's being done properly to ensure that the public doesn't get sick from communicable diseases. My name is Peter Oshiro. My occupation is I'm the Environmental Health Program Manager for the Department of Health's Food Safety Branch. I think the most rewarding part of my job is actually preventing foodborne illnesses in the community, and especially mentoring other managers to show how you can accomplish this. I've been in this program for over 37 years. I started with this program and have not left yet. So I've been the program manager since 2011. The whole reason for our existence is to prevent foodborne illnesses from occurring and to also halt any communicable disease transmission with things like public swimming pools, tattoo shops. We even regulate mortuaries and embalmers, but most of our 95% of our job revolves around regulating the food industry and making sure that the operators are running their facility in a way that they don't get people sick. Actually, the biggest thing we did was the placard system. That's when we introduced this whole concept. It was a paradigm shift on how to regulate the food industry. Sacramento County had this placarding program where it was a very simple red, yellow, green stoplight placarding program that we would put on the food facility after we completed our inspections to show what the status of the establishment was where we were there. Over 99% of our critical violations are done through voluntary compliance because of the placard system. The union and the union's activities are so important for the health and welfare of the citizens of Hawaii. People often look at government jobs as not being important, but we are the ones that are there doing things that you can't do yourself. So when you go eat at your favorite restaurant, there's no way you could go in the back of the house to make sure everything is safe and proper. We're the ones that go in the back of the house, make sure everything's being done properly to ensure that the public doesn't get sick from communicable diseases. Everything I've learned about how to manage people, how to conduct meetings, how to do things in a proper manner, all came from my 20 years plus with the union as a shop steward. I was also at a point in time a board of director. I was also HGA treasurer. So I understand very intimately how this organization works, and I've been so proud to be part of it. I would have not gotten so deep into the HGA if I didn't think that they were doing the right things. Even at a point where I'm not a bargaining unit member, I'm still very involved as a board of director for the Managerial and Confidential Employees chapter, and I will continue to advocate for HGA until I leave this job, absolutely. Yeah.